on that side.
It's like saying enemy at the Cardinals.
Come on, stick your head up. Damn. Fucking right. Woo! Hey. There's a guy right straight ahead. He keeps jumping. And then turn, make a left, because you're going to see him right there. He's dead, dead. Go, go. Ah. Hey. Ah. Yeah, 3 grenades went off, took on a bunch of people.
Our grenade or their grenade?
Ours. Literally just watched like fucking 6 people go down on 3 grenades, so I'm gonna roll with that. Probably in a house or something or in a corner. What?
I hate gunshots. It doesn't count.
It's only here it does it too.
I hate cheaters worse.
Yeah, dude, I was just walking out there. I wasn't being tactical. I was like,
Oh, that was done. Oh, head. Dude, the thing's so fucking accurate. Christian. Right behind you. Hey! Great. That side's gonna be on this side and left lane. We're looking at him right now. Straight ahead. No, I'll head down, I said, because I want to be able to hear who's around me.
are you not entertained?
Alright, go. Go. Cross. Watch out. There's somebody right there. Oh. Watch out, guy running out! Look, to the bomb, no, don't run back with the bomb! Fucking run forward, because the second he goes off, it's ours, and we get rushed. I already did.
You got it?
Yep. Go! Oh! He's dead! There's a bomb! Go! There's a bomb! Right around 6.
What the fuck? Where did it come from?
What in the respawn?
Huh?
What in the respawn?
Yeah. Hey, boy. Warwick, hey, Warwick.
How do I? Okay. Oh, I can't fucking see shit. What do you got?
Alright.
Got at least 2 shots coming from this side.
Friendly? Hey, how do we know there's not going to be like anybody that comes behind us?
One more. Hey, I got 3 of them already out.
Alright. Let me get a kill like a ladder gun, guys.
Alright, you guys down there. Oh, we got one coming in there.
Watch out, watch out.
They're coming straight this way or coming straight this way? We've got guys down low right here. Watch yourself.
Come here, you're safe, you're safe. Oh shit, hit!
Doorway. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude! Oh, your van! Oh, it's in front of me. Perfect, guys. Oh, I found you on the side.
Yeah, right here. I'm right above you, okay?
Vans, fall back behind classroom.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, guys, go back, guys. Come on.
Go. We're getting shot.
Behind classroom, right?
Yeah. Well, we were just dominating that bad? Fuck. Turn ahead! Window! Oh man! Hey! Window, straight ahead! Hey! God damn it, they caught me right in the face. Right fucking. Let's have a good start right here.
That's the bomb. I think I found it.
We got untapped